Hey, what's up everyone? It's your name, and listen, if you're not building wealth while you sleep, you're losing time, your most valuable asset. Most people wait for the perfect moment to start building passive income streams, but here's the truth. The perfect moment doesn't exist. There's no better time than now. The good news, it's not as complicated as you might think. Today, I'm breaking down 10 proven ways to make money and create passive income online. These strategies are simple, realistic, and designed to work even if you're just starting. Stay with me until the end because the last strategy, it's a game changer you won't want to miss. Let's kick things off with affiliate marketing, one of the most straightforward ways to earn online. Imagine this. You recommend a product or service you love, and every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you get a cut of the sale. You can promote products on your blog, YouTube channel, social media, or even through email. Once your affiliate links are out there, they work for you 24/7, generating passive income even while you sleep. Now let's talk about digital products, the holy grail of passive income. You create a valuable digital product once, like an ebook, course, or template, and you can sell it thousands of times over without any additional effort. The demand for digital products is exploding right now, especially in areas like personal finance, self-improvement, and online business. Ever dreamed of running your own online store without dealing with inventory, packing, or shipping? That's dropshipping in a nutshell. You create an online store, list products from a supplier, and when a customer places an order, the supplier handles everything else. The key to dropshipping success? Finding trending products with high demand. Chapter 4. Stock photography and videos turning your passion into profit. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo allow you to upload your photos and videos and earn royalties every time someone downloads your work. Chapter 5. Print on demand, designing your way to financial freedom. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Society6 allow you to upload your designs and have them printed on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and a ton of other products. Every time someone buys a product with your design, you earn a commission. Chapter 6. Blogging, building your online empire. One post at a time. Choose a niche you're passionate about and start creating valuable content that resonates with your audience. Once you've built a loyal following, you can monetize your blog through various methods, including display advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and even selling your own products or services. Chapter 7. Online tutoring or coaching, sharing your knowledge, earning passive income. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, Skillshare, and even YouTube make it easier than ever to create and sell online courses. You can create the course content once and sell it repeatedly. Chapter 8. Dividend stocks, building wealth while you sleep. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of a company that shares its profits with you regularly. Once your portfolio is generating significant dividends, it can provide you with a steady stream of passive income. Chapter 9. YouTube channel lights, camera, passive income. YouTube has exploded into a global phenomenon. Building a successful YouTube channel can be a lucrative path to passive income. Once you've built a loyal subscriber base, you can monetize your channel through advertising revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services. Chapter 10. Membership sites, building a loyal community and recurring revenue. You provide exclusive content, community access, or other valuable resources to members who pay a recurring fee. Membership sites are a powerful way to build a loyal community around your brand while generating a predictable and recurring income stream. Here to take action? Your journey to financial freedom starts now. There you have it, 10 legit ways to make money and build passive income online. Remember, the information is only as good as the action you take. The only thing standing between you and success is taking that first step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more game-changing tips and strategies to achieve financial freedom. Take action and make it happen.